happens to the dude standing around?
What up, YouTube? I need you guys to pray for J-Rock today. We're putting the red EG hatch back together. All the stuff's right here on the floor. Yo, bro, what are you gonna start with today? You're speechless.
I got too many options.
So what do we got here on the floor? Subframe's already done, traction bar, radiator, got the full suspension, seats, gas tank, full exhaust, rims, no swap. Why isn't the swap right here, bro?
The swap's over there. We could bring it over. But we don't have a full swap. The's no transmission.
Where's the tranny at, bro? Today's Monday. It doesn't look good for you.
You want to know how I know it's Monday? Let me show you guys. Because this is our transmission right here.
You know how to put this shit back together?
I'm going to have to like either, don't judge me, I'm going to have to YouTube it or Google it. Because I don't know like what, like I don't even know what this is or where it goes.
Damn, you lying to YouTube on Monday?
Listen, everything was great on the internet. Like it's just going to be like, and it's gonna be together.
Yeah,
you don't realize behind the scenes, I'm gonna be pulling my hair out and everything.
Yeah, you just put a train together this weekend. Don't lie to YouTube. You just don't want to get the trainee work.
Hit up Sonic for all your trainee work. He does it for us.
Nah, I don't like trainees. So we got the full car right here on the floor. All right, Kev, let me get your prediction. What you said was gonna be running by?
Say like 4 days.
He's not a robot, bro.
Yeah, but you gotta think about it. You still gotta do the engine bay. You gotta sand above.
What do you think?
I'm gonna take my time, so.
I like that.
You know, do it right. I wanna get good content for everybody, you know? I want you guys to be with me while I'm putting each and every bolt in. So
you was just talking shit to me about recording the other day, talking about, oh, if you didn't...
It's great if you could record while I'm working. Like, that's okay, you know? I bought the tripod for you, you know?
Let's get a current like current state of the current car, like how it sits right now.
It's basically butt naked, other than the interior. The interior is a full mess. We gotta vacuum that and clean it up. But there's no suspension on the car whatsoever.
No suspension.
All bolts, clips, fasteners, everything is off underneath the car. We gotta do all that. Fuel lines gotta go in, brake lines.
Wow. We
have a brand new fuel tank we gotta put in.
The heater box is out too.
You said we're taking that out?
No.
No. You said we're taking that out.
No.
This shit is a mess in here. It's like a whole day of just cleaning the interior.
In the whole interior gotta go back together. And there's nothing in the engine bay, right? Yo, what are you doing for brake lines?
I don't know, I was talking to a man and he was saying maybe we should just do like a semi-tuck, I guess. I really won't know until I'm able to put the subframe up to see what we have for room. I kind of want to do something different. Everybody puts it inside the car. I don't want to put it inside the car. I'm trying to make it clean and somewhat easy to do.
All right, so today we're gonna get the transmission together. We'll get the full swap. We'll get the full swap together. But what's gonna be? I want to ask you, what's gonna be the first pieces that go on the car?
Start from the back. It's always better from the back, baby.
I'm sorry, YouTube. It's Monday. He just got back from the weekend. I don't know what his search history looks like, but judge him. Don't judge me on that. Yo.
Am I lying? Am I lying, YouTube? Put in the comments if I'm lying.
So YouTube, I think J-Rock is trying to get out of doing this transmission today. It's almost lunchtime, and yo, you're in the wrong spot right now, bro.
I figured, you know, I'm gonna start in the engine bay.
Oh, you're gonna start in the engine bay.
See it come together, get my spirits up, and then maybe I could get you to finish that transmission.
Is tranny work your least favorite thing to do?
I don't want to say this online, because
I heard you were in...
people messaging me like, yo, can you do this? But honestly, I really love doing trans.
Yo, I heard you were really bad at puzzles when you were a kid.
No.
No?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really touch puzzles. I used to touch like Matchbox cars and like, that's how I think it started.
What do you guys think? Do you guys think he's procrastinating to do this transmission? Because I think he is. I don't think he really wants to get it done. You, what are you putting on?
Is it too late to say I don't know what I'm doing?
No, it's not too late because you done proved yourself time and time again. K-swaps one day, there's like 10 engines over there.
It's that age where you start like depleting and like start thinking about like retirement and stuff.
Since you started here, you just been climbing, you've been climbing up.
You know what goes up? must come down.
No, that's not true.
Yeah, I think I'm ready for retirement. What do you think?
He's we came here this morning.
Yo, since you always come in and be like, nah, I did that, right? Come here. Right?
Let me see something.
Come on, bro. Go ahead and do your thing.
Well, you knocked
You're
over
the tranny expert, bro.
No. Matter of fact,
expert.
let's get into that. What happened? You knocked the whole gear stack over, and you didn't know. You were like,
It's still apart because now I don't even know how it goes together.
we calling bullshit.
That shit fell over, bro.
He knows what he's doing. He did it on purpose.
Yo, this bearing could go this way or this way, and there's like little teeth on there. I don't know where the fuck they go.
Don't believe him. He's bullshit.
He's lying.
After YouTube,
you're just not trying to
He
take.
just wants an
back
excuse
together.
not to do it. That's all it is.
Yo, Ahmed, if you're starting on a car, you're starting from front or you're starting from the back?
In life, anything in general, where are you starting at?
From the back.
My boy, my fucking boy. You see?
All right, boys, Jarek done called in for backup. You guys see, my brother is here. He comes to save the day like he always does. They got the subframe on the floor. His little weak ass couldn't get it up. Last 2 cars, you put this shit up by yourself. What's wrong with you today?
Show me.
Today's Monday.
Show me.
Today's Monday. You can't get the rack up. You can't get the training together. What's wrong, bro? You had a hard week last week?
No, the weekend was rough.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Breaking gutters. So the car is, like you guys seen, completely stripped. There's nothing on it. Hold up. Before we get started, you guys said you guys liked the back first, right? So now you
I felt
guys.
like it was a little too dirty for YouTube, so
No, you know what it
let's just
is?
start from the front. You know.
I'm gonna tell you guys what it is.
You gotta finesse
You guys,
the front first.
no, you guys can't handle. It's too much back for you guys.
It's like this. This is what we're doing right now. The back's coming later. don't you worry.
Too much back. You know what? I want to ask you guys. Can we get this thing a roller today, though? Just so we can see the wheels. That's too much to ask for.
Easier said than done, bro. Unless you're gonna you want some gloves?
No, let me.
Unless you don't record, this car can get finished up today. The whole thing running.
What did I say earlier too?
Shots fired,
Running.
bro.
Running?
Turnkey
So-
today.
That's no. That you guys are
You
lying.
stop recording. You help me. You go ahead and you put the trains together, and I think we could get this done today.
I didn't ask
See you
for.
in the next clip. The car will be running.
No.
12 days.
I didn't ask for any of that. All I asked was just a roller with wheels, so we can kind of get.
Just said running.
No. He said running. I said roller. I said roller with the TEs on the floor.
The thing is a roller. If we were focusing on that portion, then yeah, we could definitely get a roller. But
Oh, yeah.
we gotta tuck the harness, brake lines. I could have this thing as a roller in like an hour. But that's not the focus. I want to.
You're right. Maybe in the next video, in the next video, I'll get a thumbnail of the car with the TEs on it. I think.
Maybe like tucked in the wheel, hella flush. We could just.
No, we don't do that
lay 'em
camera
flat
life.
like that.
We're not about that life. Bro, you a liar. You are a liar.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
I have to go jump your Subaru.
Well, no, ain't no. I don't know what you're talking about. There's no training parts in there now. So tell YouTube that you do training work.
I gotta go jump the Subaru.
No. Tell.
Ahmed,
Check this.
tell him the real story.
Yeah, let me see the squeeze though. No, that's the real story right here. You're doing a tranny.
Yo, why you come in here talking shit? You gotta turn one single around.
You had to go recoup from lifting the something.
I had to record. That's what I had to do. I had to record. What's going on in here? The interior looks like all apart. Give me the rundown. What are you changing now, huh? Suede headliner,
You know me.
blackout everything.
I'm all about the details. All about the details. I can't tell you guys right now.
The interior looks like shit right now.
No worries.
Looks really shitty. Yo, J-Rock. So you taking tranny work on or you not taking tranny work
Hold on,
on?
I'm disassembling this because we need the stock LSD on it.
Oh, that's what you're doing, huh?
Yeah.
So you don't do trannies? The engine bay is pretty much, you guys go watching J-Rock's video, watch me curl that rack and that subframe. Your boy,
The real story.
your boy,
we had that shit. We had a rope, like fishing line, very strong fishing line, suspended from the lift, and Kevin was like pulling. So as he was lifting, he looked a lot stronger than he actually was.
no.
really
So if you guys want to see me lift this subframe up in this car, you can go to his channel and watch it because he's lying. So I put this whole thing up here by myself. Wow, yeah, I even put the bolts up too. So I picked the subframe up with one arm and then put the bolts in with the other.
That's fucking
So I couldn't record it, you guys. I needed 2 hands. That's not bullshit. Yo, Kev, you believe that I picked it up?
No, you weak as fuck.
You little lying bitch. yo, I picked this whole shit up by myself. This is how it is around here. One dude stands around, and one dude works. It's like a union job.
What happens to the dude standing around?
Yeah, that was pretty good, bro. Yo, Kev, how do you feel about the rear load control arms?
They look good.
You don't like it, J-Rock? Function 7 look good on there. I mean, what you think? You like them? So they got the rear suspension on. You guys see they got the brake lines in, gas tank. Honestly, it looks good polished, but maybe gold with the wheels would have been alright.
Same color.
Same bronze? That's too much bronze. I'm with you on that. I'm gonna step back here real quick so you guys can envision it. Because J-Rock needs glasses today. Looks pretty good. Yo, what do you got in your hand? You got tape?
Because you bitches don't got no fucking band-aids.
Is it your shop?
Band-aids are for pussies. What did you just say to me earlier?
I think you fucked up, bro.
Wow, what happened?
You see this?
The mess that you created in there?
I don't know, bro. I don't know if I can even put it back together again.
There's so many bolts, clips. Do you even know everything goes back?
It's supposed to car for sale, bro. I don't think we're gonna finish it.
Yeah, okay, you know who you're talking to right now?
I'm just kidding. I know where every single nut and fucking bolt goes. Single bolt, I'll tell you where it goes.
I believe you. I asked for a roller today, right?
Where's this bolt go?
That's not
Who was in charge of ordering these?
That's not only
that definitely was not me. You know me,
It's not my fucking toolbox. yo, come over here.
What's up? What's going on here?
You got paint in your fucking toolbox,
And
bro.
caliper paint at that? Come on, bro. At least I thought I was gonna find a powder coat gun or something in there. But my boy gave me a roller, right? There's a spindle in there. Show me the back. J-Rock gave us a roller, right? No.
The back. That's what you do? That's what you were doing? You're taking a nap back there?
He asked for a roller.
Where's the trailer arms at, bro?
That was slick though, slick move. I'll give you that, J-Rock.
Yo, show him hella flush. Should we do fucking...
Yeah, do camber gang. Camber gang?
Go down.
That thing is tucking tire. Camber gang?
Should we do it?
Nah, we ain't about that life.
That shit looks like it should be on a Subaru.
Don't start with your shit, bro. Yo, bro. Show me how you bang the 1-2.
I'm fucking clapped out. I'll probably miss a gear right now.
Damn, you done broke the fucking shifter, bro.
It's just Chinese.
Nah, that shit ain't Chinese. I ain't gonna lie, that 2000 seats feel pretty good. Better than those damn fucking Recaros. I'll tell you that shit right now. If anybody got any driving lessons, bro, hit my boy up. He forgot how to drive K-Series. Okay, boys, end of day 1 here today. My boy got some brake lines done, and a subframe, and some control arms, and a trans. Day 1s are the worst, right? For the builds?
Today was like a big fucking waste of time.
Why was it a waste of time? Because of the brake lines, right?
Brake lines, we spent 3-4 hours of trying to figure out how we're gonna do them. And after 3-4 hours of figuring out how to do them, let's show them how they came out.
It's still it's not.
OEM, baby. Big waste of time.
The rack is in, that's a plus.
I got all the little grommets in, had to clean those by hand. All the firewall plugs. Got the clutch master, brake master.
I know this looks great, right?
No.
No, it's not bad, but who did the interior? The interior looks like
Bro, we're supposed to put this car together today.
You guys took it apart, right?
Look at the inside of this car.
Let's check the inside out. This thing is all torn up. Like, they took it apart to take the headliner. Now they're doing new plastics. Yo, look at the front. It's a mess. I know you didn't do that.
This ain't how I work.
No, it's
this
not.
Shit gives me
That's definitely Ahmed for sure. So Ahmed even left half of the job done. He's supposed to help my boy put the control arms on.
He had to go do that thing.
So
I put the gas tank in too. That's in.
the gas tank is in?
Yeah, all the lines.
Hold on. All right, the gas tank is up.
It's just when you look at the car, it's like you probably did 10 minutes worth of work. It's been a full day, and it's like.
Well, we got a transmission done, so maybe we can put a swap together tomorrow, and then maybe some put the K-tuned suspension on. Maybe get this thing a roller.
Definitely suspension tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a roller for sure, 100%.
Remember, boys, my boy said he starts in the back. It's definitely a lie. He lied to you guys today. He's not from the back. He's not about that life. But I'm about that life, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. What up, YouTube? Day 2 working on the hatch. It's official roller today, for sure. 100% roller. Yesterday, you did not have the trailing arms on.
No, I did that today.
Yeah, the pile got a lot smaller. We got mud flaps, some interior parts. There's no motor yet. And then you got your favorite thing of all right here, right? You guys red Recaros.
Finally get to put them in something.
Red Recaros. But yo, you ruined my boy's interior. It looks a lot better than it did yesterday. All he did was maybe, I think he put some floor mats in here and threw maybe some extra bolts. Or no, he threw everything in the back. That's what he did. Definitely threw everything in the back. So what changed from last night till this morning? Or till this afternoon?
Put the full exhaust on, trailing arms, cleaned up all the hardware. Can't be putting no cocky hardware on there, you know, no rusty bolts when everything's brand new. So.
I want to see what this thing looks like underneath. And you guys put the what's that? The proportion valve, right? Brake lines are all on. Front brake lines are on too.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's check this out real quick. Okay, so the rear is all buttoned up. The rear is all buttoned up. Got the control arm, subframe brace, rear suspension, brake lines. All the brake lines in?
All brake lines are in.
All right, all brake lines in. Gas tank, cat back. This thing looking good underneath here. Yo, especially with all the zinc, well, some zinc at least.
Bolts though.
Look at the exhaust in the gas tank. Subframe bolts are in. Oh boy, put new bolts in. Okay.
About attention to detail.
Attention to detail. What else we got?
It's just freshness, like.
That thing is fresh. Yo, can I get this on?
Look at these bolts.
Can I get this on my hatch?
No. We're too busy doing this stuff.
Yo, what's next up now? Since we got, so the rear end is completely finished, right? We just got to put the mud guards back on the back.
I gotta do the under tunnel shift box.
You're gonna put a no cut shift box?
Yeah.
Well, no, cut shift box,
But it's under tunnel to keep the OEM center console.
yeah, it's gonna look fresh. It's not even gonna look like it got a K-swap in it. That was his idea. I like to build a shift box up top.
My boy like the OEM style.
Yo, when we getting a swap in here?
I still gotta paint the trans, which I hate doing. So I'm procrastinating on that, but probably tomorrow.
All right, so day 2 is officially probably gonna be over. There's not too much left to do here today. Hopefully put the swap in tomorrow. And then, well, no, we gotta get the swap together. So it's gonna be end of day 2 here. We got the Recaros out, got the header, traction bar, valve cover, and then we sent out the roll bar for powder coat. What color you doing with the roll bar?
I'll wait and find out.
He probably did some like,
Leave in the comments what you guys think the roll bar is gonna be for a color. How about that?